Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best action cameras. Through extensive research and testing we've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. AKASO Brave for 4K 20MP Wi-Fi Action Camera. This camera has a 4K video mode that helps you to capture real action no matter if you are riding, skydiving, or just on a short adventure on your motorcycle. The camera even offers Steady Fps for better slow-motion perspectives. It even comes with a simple yet sophisticated remote control that comes quite handy when mounting the camera in places where one can't reach manually. You can use connectivity options such as Wi-Fi for transferring files from the device. The newest version of the cam also gives you a bigger 16MP sensor for better low-light performance and crisp stills. It has built-in electronic image stabilization for shakier shoots, a newly increased 131 feet of waterproof shooting protection, and even an extensive selection of cases and mounts. But, at this price point, Wi-Fi integration is the real killer app. This model also has pretty improved water resistance and durability. It permits you to capture the essence of the underwater world without compromising on anything. You get 2 extra batteries and helmet accessories with this action cam, which is why it is undoubtedly one of the ideal choices on a limited budget. Pros: intuitive remote control, improved water resistance, mountable to multiple places, 4K video at 24 frames per second, extra accessories. Cons: there is no touchscreen. Number 2. GoPro Hero 7 Waterproof Digital Action Camera. Content creators who are just starting out will be happy to know they won't have to spend a fortune in order to get their hands on a great action camera. The GoPro Hero May 7 be an older model, but that makes it a more budget-friendly option compared to its competitors. And while it may be a bit older, it still gives you a ton of great features. With 16 different voice commands, you can control your camera without having to touch it. The companion app also allows for 720p live streaming to social media or Twitch so everyone can join your vlogs or outdoor adventures. The 10-megapixel camera can shoot in 4K up to 30 frames per second or 1080p at 240 frames per second for smooth playback. It features the same automatic noise suppression and image stabilization as the Hero 8, letting you capture cleaner audio and jitter-free video no matter what you're doing. The built-in GPS allows you to add information like altitude, speed, and location to your videos so you can show off your skills to the world. The body of the camera is water-resistant up to 33 feet, allowing you to record underwater while you surf, swim, or snorkel. The rear screen allows for touch inputs for faster, easier access to menus and camera settings. Pros: waterproof, voice commands, strong and tough body, live streaming capabilities. Cons: 30 frames per second lock on 4K recording. Number 3. Insta361X2 360-degree waterproof action camera. Want your own camera crew? A seriously impressive 360 degrees camera as adept with creating widescreen action camera style video as it is with wraparound imagery. The Insta361X2 is all about shoot first, edit later. The editing suite is comprehensive, permitting everything from third-person perspective video, time-lapses and hyperlapses to freeze frames, smart track face recognition and much more besides. This 360-degree VR camera omits your selfie stick or hand from the final shot, which, in turn, makes it appear as if it were a drone shot. The camera can even shoot 4K videos along with high-resolution, 24MP photos for panoramic pictures. The electronic image stabilization, now commonly referred to as the flow state stabilization, helps to make your videos buttery smooth, no matter if you are jumping out of an aircraft or cycling downhill. It is even very easy to edit and upload the footage on the gram with the help of this camera. You can easily control it either with a remote or an app that you can easily monitor on your iPhone. The unique design of the camera is what catches the most attention. You can even mount the model on almost any item with the accessories. Pros: extensive editing suite, full HD video recording, waterproof design, Instapano photos. Cons: time-consuming edit. Number 4. GoPro Hero 10 Black Waterproof Action Camera. The latest addition to GoPro's lineup, the Hero 10 Black sits at the top of the range with all the bells and whistles a budding filmmaker or professional could ask for. Building upon the success of the Hero 9, listed below, the Hero 10 comes with more power, higher quality, and class-leading image stabilization. It isn't quite a game-changer in the lineup, in the sense that it's a more refined version of the Hero 9, rather than a significant step up the ladder. But the refinements are noticeable, namely in the introduction of Hypersmooth 4.0 image stabilization, which is second to none. Included among its features are Time Warp 3.0, a smooth time-lapse mode, and 8x slow MO. This means if you're serious about taking super smooth and ridiculously high-definition footage, e.g. for professional TV and filmmaking, then you will absolutely benefit from the increased quality and power that comes with the Hero 10. However, if you're simply wanting to capture some memories, start a vlog, or film your commute for safety reasons, then the Hero 10 will probably be a bit overkill. Physically, it's almost identical to, albeit slightly lighter in weight than the Hero 9, although only by a few grams, whereas the Hero 8 is a much smaller and lighter option with a front display, if this is important to your decision-making process. Number 5. DJI Osmo Action 4K Action Camera. DJI is very well known for producing some of the most popular drones on the market today. However, they have also gotten into the action camera market, launching the DJI Osmo Action in 2019. This camera has some unique features that make it a compelling option. The main differentiator it has over the cameras in our action camera roundup is the fact that it has two full-color screens, one on the front of the camera and one touchscreen on the back. This makes using the camera for selfies a lot easier, as you can see exactly what you are shooting. Specs-wise, you are looking at an f/2.8 aperture camera paired with a 12MP 1/2.3 sensor, which offers a 145-degree field of view. This can shoot 4K/60 fps and supports 240 frames per second slow motion at 1080p. There's also built-in electronic image stabilization, which works at up to 4K/60 fps. Other features include HDR video at up to 4K/30 fps, raw photo support, time-lapse modes, and Wi-Fi connectivity for remote control with a smartphone. It also has voice control, but does lack GPS. Battery life varies between 60 minutes and 135 minutes, depending on the video resolution.
Alright guys, that's all for now. Please leave a like on the video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.